Multan Board Group 1 First Time Paper Maths 2023 Objective Paper Subjective Paper Long Question Multan Board Paper Lahore Board First Time Objective Paper Lahore Board First Time Subjective Paper Bahawalpur First Time Objective Mathematic Paper Subjective Bahawalpur Group 1 Subjective Paper DGK First Time Mathematic Paper Objective Subjective DGK Mathematic Paper Faisalabad First Time Mathematic Paper Part 1 Part 2 Faisalabad Objective Paper Mathematic 2023 Gujranwala First Time Group Mathematic Paper Objective Subjective Gujranwala Mathematic Paper First Group Sargodha First Time Mathematic Paper Objective Part 1 Part 2 Objective Paper Sargodha Subjective Paper Sargodha 2023 First Time Paper Sahiwal First Time Objective Paper Mathematic 2023 Objective Paper Subjective Paper Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.